像还是可以的。这个好像还是很顺的。看一下延迟的话，延迟还是有一些，延迟还是有一些的。分组的。是不是比较顺？是不是现在还是比较顺的？你看一下，我现在双开一下是啥？这边随便开个视频吧，随便开一个这个视频。
6 years ago, I found myself standing on a very different sort of stage, looking out into a very different sea of darkness. I was in the middle of the vast Antarctic plateau, the depths of an off glacier. It had been 4 long months since I'd seen the sunlight. The temperature was 100 degrees below zero, and I'd just lost my bearings for the 3rd time since lunch. August at the South Pole bears very little resemblance to August here in Canada. Exposed skin freezes solid in seconds, so the only crack in my armor was to see.
总归我先试一下双开行不行
？Every blink risked freezing my eyes shut, but it was worth it. The nighttime view from the highest, driest, coldest, and harshest continent is absolutely spectacular. That view tells a story, the story of the universe and of the lengths people will go to in the name of curiosity. I'm here to tell you that tale. It follows 2 paths, one with the universe and one with me. In the Antarctic, you're not entirely cut off from the rest of the world. A few hours each day, you can use old geostationary satellites to communicate. The problem is, those satellites are a long way up. A conversation, carried on a beam of light, takes time to get up to them and back to civilization. Between question and answer, there's about a 1-second delay, an awkward pause that creeps between words, a disconnect that stops casual conversation, undermining any real sense of human contact. If you look farther away, those delays get longer. The moon is 1.3 light seconds from Earth. When Neil Armstrong took his one small step, the hundreds of millions watching around the world saw it 1.3 seconds after it happened.
IP,
Because light takes time to make the trip to Earth, the viewers were seeing an event from the past. They were looking back in time 1.3
双开有没有可能
Now, on astronomical scales, things get a little more serious. The sun is 8 light minutes away. We see it as it was 8 minutes ago, an image of the past. Our nearest neighbor star, Proxima Centauri, Proxima because it's so close, is 4 light years away. If there are aliens there, the Earth they see is still in 2010, just about to invent the iPhone 4. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is 100 billion suns strong and 100,000 light years edge to edge. From the far side, modern humans don't exist. The Earth they see has not evolved us yet.
两边好像都
I know
能
what you're all wondering, and the
两
answer
边好像都
is
在
yes.
播吧
There is a South Pole, and yes, it's candy striped.
OK 玄火
There
这
are,
边
however, no penguins at the South Pole, and with good reason. It's 1,200 kilometers from the coast, a barren, desolate place, a frozen ocean, a desert of ice extending
我看不到这
in
边
every direction.
我这边 B 站这边卡了
to
吗
get there, 5 long flights from Pearson. And the trip alone transforms you from happy-go-lucky
为什么
adventurer
我
to
拿
a
那
seasoned
个手
veteran
机？
of
让我们拿
airborne
手机看一下。
As humans, we have a hard time dealing with scales beyond our own. We can handle a neighborhood, maybe a city, but larger scales, nations and continents, can be hard to absorb. Galaxies span enormous scales, but we can see farther, beyond our own local group, billions of light years away, to ancient filaments of galaxies stretching their way across the universe and backwards through
可以的吗？可以的，好
Honestly,
像
we
是
have
可以
proof
的，
of
是吧？
this. That is what telescopes do all day now. And we can see past
看一下啊，
the time
我
before
电脑这边为什么
galaxies,
B 站的
before
页面
stars,
开不了？哦，开了，
dark
开了，
dead
有
universe.
点卡。
And we
那
can see past that.
应该是 OK 的啊，
Telescopes are more than esoteric devices,
应该是
overgrown
OK 的。
spyglasses that let us peer at something a little farther away. They
两
let
边
us
都
see
开出来，
the
两边都开出来，
of existence,
感觉
right
好
next
像
to
还
our
可以
eyes.
哈。无非这是操作的话，必须要得两边都得操作。
Edge to existence. As far as we know, space continues forever in all directions. Not an edge, but a beginning.
好像可以啊，
A vast
就是
ball of fire. The light from that fire is
两边
ancient.
都可以
It's the
吧？
oldest in the universe. It's been stretched and diffused for billions of years.
我看看你们
It's
可
no
不可以
longer
看啊？
visible to
我估
humans.
计
Arriving
冒险一
at
下，
is
冒险一下
light.
吧。看
With the right equipment, you
看
can
啊
see，it.
我估计
A sight arrived
冒险一下，
14
冒险
billion years ago. A baby picture of the universe.
一下，两边都有，对吧？
Now,
就是开出来了，就是两边油管和油管和 B 站可以同步开啊。那这样到时候的话，就是到时候新建开播的时候，如果说被掐掉的话，可以至少保证有一边还在运作，我大概就是这样。对啊，是这个意思。我现在试一下可不可以啊？研究出来这个方案就是，就 B 站和油管能双开。这边有没有能够看到油管的？炫火应该是刚才看了一下，应该是可以是吧？这炫火提供了一个梯子啊，比我自己的好像快上了一些。啊，我就随便点个视频，可以大家看一下吧。反正就随便试一下。这个视频也还好啊，这个视频是我当时翻译做的特别认真的一个视频，就在很久以前，17年的时候。新建的话，新建可能下个礼拜一最多是试彩排吧。有没有能够看到油管那边的？哦，对，对，提前做准备。B 站是我把两边都互相发一下，我把两边的地址互相发一下，这样的话，大家可以互相看一下两边情况可不可以。然后油管的话是，油管应该地址不能发完整的，估计。一下。哇，这个直接就不行吗 ？B 站的聊天这么智能的吗？就直接不能把 YouTube 这几个字给发出来？那个油管那边的话，就自己手动把油管的前部分给添加一下 ，youtube.com， 啊，就两边看一下情况好不好吧，就测试一下可不可以啊。现在看好像都是还是比较流畅的，好像还可以吧，应该可以吧？没有，测。OK， 那好。了解。OK， 对，就测试一下双开啊，其他没有什么。那大概就可以对吧？大概就可以，我就播到这里吧。这里就是一个非常简单的测试啊，就是简单测试。好，应该可以。那我大概知道了，知道怎么办了。稍微等一下吧，我这边再换一个工具啊，我就换一下。现在用的是炫火给我的一个梯子啊，我现在换一下自己的工具，我感觉好像自己的工具会卡一点。然后现在 我现在把炫火的工具先关一下，然后应该会断一下，然后我再开一下自己的。
We celebrated sunset and the temperature began to plummet. Our world frosted over overnight, temperature dropping to -50, -60, -70 C.
那么现在应该是重新开过了。刚才 B 站这边应该是没有影响的，就是油管这边应该是停顿了一下，看看有没有恢复过来，也恢复过来了，对吧？油管现在好吗？
My daily commute, a 1-kilometer trudge
through
the icy blackness from station to telescope, began as an adventure.
OK，B 站这边刚应该是就没有断掉，对吧？我问一下，就刚才我换工具的时候，中间油管那边应该是断了大概10秒钟左右，那么 B 站这边应该有没有断？好像是不是没有断
？The initial conflagration had ended, and space was filled with diffused gas. There was no life, no planets, no dust, nothing solid. Galaxies and stars hadn't yet come into being.
好的。
But things had begun to gather under the gentle but ever-present tug of gravity. Enormous structures grew, large enough to birth 1,000 galaxies.
那这样的话以后，可以考虑就日常双开，说不定也是可以的。看以后这边如果开，对。可以考虑以后每次都可以考虑两边都同时开出来，对，稍微多做一点提前准备工作，但也不是特别难，可以。好 ，nice。那么我们了解了，那以后就可以双开了。OK， 那测试就到这里了，感谢帮忙看，那我就到这里了。好，两边都说一声，好的。测试。
That ice is cold, and it costs precious fuel to melt. By August, cold had taken its toll on me. The cold and the isolation and the repetition had worn me down.
好，那拜。
I was, in Poli speak, toasty. Toast is a sort of